Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs. Decisive Designs, Table and More Solution, and Garden Nista Meadow. So I'm bringing you this beautiful outdoorsy tablescape. It's a garden party, and what I did was I brought the outside in with these gorgeous spider plants and natural plants. And what more do you want when you're having a summer party? You can put these on your porch, set up your table there, and just have fun. And these plates are just super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Outdoorsy feel. This look like a bamboo plant, which is really nice. And this gorgeous bloom just really set the stage for outdoors. And what I use is a waterproof placemats. So that, I can take it outside. My guests could move around with their party favorites and finger foods. And what I did was I layered it with this gorgeous plate. It's gorgeous antique plate, which is a little bit over the top, but I wanted something more than just having that, which that looks gorgeous. And again, if I didn't mention, these plates are from Pier 1. And I got them around 14 years ago. It's so ironic that initially when we bought our home, I was looking for things to decorate the home, and Pier 1 was my go-to store for a lot of my dining room aesthetics and home decor accessories. So I have a lot of things from Pier 1. Anyways, so I paired it with this Hobby Lobby charger, which is super cool, and Oneida silverware, and Sonoma napkin. And the napkin just have the combination of these colors that is used. So you can see, and then the wine glasses. And what I did was I toned down the lighting a little bit in here, the chandelier, because sometimes it gets so bright. But look at that. When you turn up the light, make sure your chandelier has a control where you can turn it up and down, by the way. But when you turn up the light, you get more than what you bargained for. You get the glitz and glam of the, to see that? If you go closer, you get the crystal. And you go far from it, you get the plate and every detail of this plate. So this plate is gorgeous. And I had it, and it's not our everyday plate. And maybe that's why we've had it so long, but it is just so gorgeous, and it exudes the outside. I love the outside and what it brings and gives, and this plate is just gorgeous. And think about a tree, and when you look up on a tree, you see the blue sky. This is what this plate reminds me of. The blue sky with the tree, it just have this perfect color combination that you would never use, but yet it's natural, and it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I paired it, I don't know what that is. I paired it with these beautiful vintage plates. Beautiful with this monochromatic look. It's like a marble kind of look with different tones of the same color and with that green. So it's just gorgeous. Who knew that they would go together, right? So super gorgeous. And I paired it with this beautiful wine glass. And this is from the dollar store. I thrifted this, but it's a dollar store brand where it's just gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. Everything about it is gorgeous. And look at these plants. I just pulled them from my windowsill because it was late, and to go outside and get a bouquet, I'm like, wait a minute, I have inside plants. So that's how easy sometimes it is. Think outside the box. Utilize things that are close to you in order to complete your aesthetics. And what a look these natural plants give me. And again, this is like it's like an everyday garden party where you can come, you can relax, you can have a salad, and you can talk about whatever you want to talk about around this table. And, you know, one of the things that I love to talk about is talk about sometimes a Bible verse, talk about sometimes where, you know, our friends are, and try to catch up with them. But God is so good. God is so good to us that we need to just thank Him, and we need to just cherish our moments that we have together with not only family but friends, right? And what I'm doing is I'm just going around taking off these beautiful plates because I don't really need them, just to show you that natural look of the sky. You know, think about looking up at a tree and having that blue canopy sky looking back at you. That's what these plates exude. It's just so gorgeous. And I just love using these colors together. Who knew that they would go so nicely together? You know, think about the tablecloth is the earth, you know, and all those natural tree bark and stuff. And the green is the grass, is the trees, and the blue is the sky. Come on, how gorgeous it is to put these natural things together. You know, so super gorgeous. I just love the way it turns out. And it just speaks volume of what you can do on a low budget or even no budget. These things are from my cabinet, and the plants are from within the house. So sometimes whatever you have, if you have, you know, your linen, just put stuff together. You never know, they may go together, and they may represent you. These represent me. I love outdoors. I love planting. I love tree. You know, I love looking up at the sky. So all these things represents me, and I just love it. So, you know, just put God first. Know that He's the creator of all things, and He's the author and finisher of our faith. And if we put Him first, we can never lose. We can never fail. Okay? I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And peace.